Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Weiser. Today I'm gonna teach you how to get my AI on Snapchat. So first of all, you want to go to App Store to make sure Snapchat has been updated to the latest version. As you can see, I have my AI on the top of my chat feed and I'm not even subscribing to Snapchat Premium. Snapchat is actually releasing my AI to everyone, including the one that's not subscribing. You can see in the support center when you click on profile and then go to settings and then you scroll down to I need help. Then you click on my AI. How do I access my AI on Snapchat? And you click on it. As you can see, Snapchat claims that my AI and new my AI features are rolling out slowly, but may not be available as you just yet. So what happened is you eventually gonna get my AI, but it's just not there yet. You don't need to subscribe to Snapchat Premium. Don't do that because everybody's gonna get it eventually. It just takes time. As you can see, my AI is pinned on the top of my chat feed. I can tap on it and start chatting with them. That's it for the video, guys. Make sure to not subscribe to Snapchat Premium because it's not necessary to get my AI feature. You just need to wait for a couple of days or a couple of weeks and eventually you're gonna get it. Oh, make sure to update your Snapchat to the latest as well. If you guys like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more social media related content such as Snapchat and Instagram. And thank you guys so much and have a nice day.